Good morning, everyone. How are you? So, I want to show you something. So, today, movements have been cancelled. No vehicle, no train, no bus. Let me show you the reason. It's crazy. So, it's okay. So, look at the weather. Jesus. Look, you see snow from here to here. You can't even step outside. There is no snow from here to here. So outside there's snow. Look. So you can't even go out. Look at the door. Look at the door. It's covered with snow. Look at outside. Look at how snow. Jesus. Can't go out. Not going in. Can't even play around this snow. Let's see if it's done. My God. So today, movements have been cancelled. Let me show you the other angle of snow. This is the other side. I can't even show you because snow is all over. So you see this, it's a grass from here to there. This is snow. Jesus, I can't even open. So it's not time. We are seated home, no moving around, no vehicle, no train, nobody's outside.